Hi everybody, this is Jenny from By Jenni Designs, and today I have a fun and quick little pattern for all my fellow cat lovers. My cats just love these little catnip balls made with the Red Heart Scrubby Sparkle yarn. So I'm going to show you how to work these up today. For this pattern, you're going to need a size G or 4mm crochet hook, a very small amount of the Scrubby Sparkle yarn. If I had to guess, I would say about 25 to 30 yards. And then you just need a little bit of polyfill, some of your cat's favorite catnip, scissors, and a darning needle. Okay, to start this pattern, we're going to use a magic circle. So to make your magic circle, put your working yarn on the left, wrap the end around your thumb, and then insert your hook and grab your working yarn, pull through, and chain 1. And now we're going to work 8 half double crochet into the circle. Okay, I have my 8. After you have your 8, go ahead and pull your circle tight and then join with a slip stitch to the very first half double crochet. Now for row 2, we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to work 2 half double crochet into each stitch around. Okay, so you should have 16 half double crochet. After you've worked your final half double crochet, go ahead and join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. And now for row 3, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work 2 half double crochet into the first stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, 2 into the next, 1 into the next. We're going to work this way all the way around. So I'll show you a few here. So 2 half double crochet into the first stitch here, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 2 into the next, 1 into the next. Go ahead and work your way around, and I'll meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, I'm just working my last half double crochet of the row. Go ahead and join with a slip stitch. And for row 3, you should have 24 half double crochet around. For row 4, chain 1. And then we're going to half double crochet into the first 2 stitches. And then work 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So that's half double crochet into 2, and then 2 half double crochet into the next. Continue working this way all the way around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, I am just to the end of row 4 here. You should be working 2 half double crochet into your last stitch. Then you can join with a slip stitch. And for row 4, you should have 32 half double crochet around. And now for row 5 and 6, these are both worked the same way. You are just going to be half double crocheting into each stitch around. And then when you get to the end, join with a slip stitch. So I will leave you to work up row 5 and 6, and then I will meet up with you at the end of row 6. All right, I am just finishing up row 6 here. Join with a slip stitch, chain 1, and now for row 7, we're going to half double crochet 2 together and then half double crochet into 2 all the way around. So to work your half double crochet 2 together, go ahead and yarn over, put your hook into the stitch, pull through a loop, put your hook into the next stitch, pull through a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. So then you're going to half double crochet into the next 2, and then half double crochet 2 together, half double crochet into the next 2, and then half double crochet 2 together. Continue to work just like this all the way around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, I just have one more stitch to work here. And your stitch count for this row should be 24. Go ahead and join with a slip stitch. And then we're going to chain 1 for the next row, but before we move on, we're going to start stuffing. So just make sure your circle is pulled tight, and we're going to be sewing these in at the end, just on the outside. Okay, so what I like to do is I put a little bit of catnip into the bottom. And now it's gonna get a little messy, but that's how it goes. So just put a little bit in there, just like that. And then we're gonna take our polyfill and stuff that in there too. And then we're going to move on to the next row, and we'll continue stuffing at the end. Okay, so for this row, we're going to start by half double crocheting into the first stitch, and then we're going to half double crochet 2 together. Half double crochet into the next stitch, and then half double crochet 2 together. Go ahead and work your way all the way around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Just continue half double crocheting and then half double crocheting 2 together. Okay, so I'm around to the end now, and I just have to half double crochet these 2 together. then join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. Now I want this to be a little bit more firm, so I'm going to put a little bit more polyfill in. Okay, and then we're going to be putting a little bit more catnip on top, but I wait till the very end. So for this row, we're going to be half double crocheting 2 together all the way around. Just keep half double crocheting 2 together. And you should have 8 stitches at the end. So let's see, I got 4 there. 5. 6. 7. And then there's number 8, and now before you join, this is when you're going to want to add a little bit more catnip. You just want to push it down in there. And then you can join. There we go. And now we're going to fasten off, leaving a little bit of a longer tail because you're going to use this to sew the hole shut. So now you can grab your needle here. And then just use your needle and weave around, making sure you're grabbing each stitch. Sometimes be hard to see with all this catnip in the way. And then just put a couple more stitches here for good luck. And now you can just go ahead and weave in both ends. And then go to the other side to do the other one. Now this end from the beginning, you want to just work into your beginning circle to make sure that's nice and tight. Oh, and there's one of my little kitties right there. She saw me bring the catnip in here. Okay, so once you have that one all weaved and sewn in, you can trim it. Okay, so after you've trimmed your end, that's it. It's ready to go. Thanks so much for watching and crocheting along with me. I'm going to put up a short little video of our youngest cat here. Her name is Cookie. She is obsessed with these balls. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.